Hi friends, welcome back. This is Rodline, and today I'm going to show you how to migrate a website using a plugin which is Duplicator. Okay, so we are going to migrate a website from my subdomain, which is shop.rodline.co.tz, to the main or to the root domain, which is rodline.co.tz. Okay, so follow along if you have or if you need to know how to get started with migrating your website. And if you have any problem maybe, or you want to ask anything, please comment in the comment section below. I think I will reply you as soon as possible. So let's do it. Friends, welcome back. This is Rodline and my name is Rodgens. Actually today I'm going to show you how to migrate a website from one domain to another, or if you are designing a WordPress website using local server like XAMPP, I'm going to show you how you can migrate your website. So the same steps that you're going to use here are the same steps that you're using migrating the website from your local host. Okay, so you see now the website now is under shop.rodline.co.tz, but we need to migrate it to this domain, which is rodline.co.tz. For now, we have no any file here, but we are going to migrate this website to make sure that it's live under rodline.co.tz and not shop.rodline.co.tz. Okay. Actually, this is the website. This is a live website. This is my website. I'm selling digital downloads. You can visit here and check. We have some plugins and website plugins and themes for WordPress, so you can come here and purchase them. Also, we are providing free installation guide. If you purchase anything from our website, being a theme or being a plugin, you'll get instant access or Google Meet presentation to show you how you can use the thing that you purchased here. Okay, so you click on download. Okay, and here you come. You make payment. You make payment here direct. If you are using you can use the credit card or debit card. It depends with what you're using, but as long as you make payment with any, we shall see your order and get confirmed. Okay, back to the video. So what you're going to do, actually, as I said, is to migrate this website to another domain. So let's do it. The first step that we are going to do here is to log into our WordPress dashboard. So I'm just going to log into my WordPress dashboard here and log in. And now we have explored the back end of our website. You see, now this is our website. Okay, so I'm just going to check on dashboard. Okay, yeah, so basically there was some plugin that you're going to use, so I'm going to remove everything so that we can start afresh. And this is the plugin. I don't need it now. So yes, so after visiting the dashboard here, you will see a lot of options. Actually, up to watching this video, I know you have basic experience and basic knowledge about WordPress and how WordPress works. Okay. So now we are going to migrate this website to another domain using a plugin. Basically, the plugin we're going to use is Duplicator, the Duplicator plugin, and it is available in the plugin store for WooCommerce for WordPress. Okay, so I will come to plugins, then add a new plugin. You see, add a new plugin. Okay, so adding new plugin, we are going to search here the plugin known as Duplicator. Okay, so you will search here Duplicator. Okay, we have various options, but this is the one we are going to use. Published by Duplicator. It has 1 million active installation users. Also updated last 7 days ago. Okay, so we are going to click on install. Okay, then we are going to activate this plugin. It takes some seconds to get activated. Okay, yes. So after updating this plugin, we see the setup wizard for this plugin. We're not going to go up with this setup wizard, but the thing you should understand and should know is Duplicator has both free and paid version. For now, we're going to use free version, but if you have or you have purchased the pro plan, it means everything is going to be automated. Okay, migrating won't take too long as we use, but it's just one job. It's simple tasking as if even if you use a local, nothing changes. Okay, so I'm going to upload to go on with the free. So what you're going to do, you see here we have this duplicate. I'm going to click here, and we have this package. Okay, so create a new package. We're going to create a new package by clicking on create new, and we're going to give it the name. Okay, so now we see online store. We can give it loadway. Okay, let's say loadway. Okay, this is the name for our project, and we have different options here. But if you see now, most of them are pro plans, so we are not going to change anything here. And you come back way forward here to click next. Okay, so it will scan your website and it will give you the hints. Oh, you see system, WordPress, everything is cool now, so you can get started. Okay, you click on build. It takes some moments to build up files, compiling all the files available within this website. Then after here, we're going to get the download. So we're going to download these files and go to upload and install them to a new or to another domain. Okay, so it takes some few seconds, some few moments to finish up, but as long as it finishes up, we're going to download everything and get it started. All right, the thing also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, usually post web development, web-based tutorials, and remember to subscribe. If there is any problem, any question you want to ask, just come on and contact me using WhatsApp. I think everything's cool right there. You're going to get the free and everything that you need to do. Okay, so maybe previous videos I was using another language, which is Swahili, but from now on we're going to be using English. Okay, so don't be confused about other videos. They're just in Swahili, though they are for WordPress. Okay, so it takes a moment again. Let's wait for it and finish up. Okay, while it's processing, we can be speaking about hosting. Now I'm using Orange Host as the hosting of my choice. Okay, so I'm research for Orange Host here, and this is what you're going to use. Basically, if you are getting started, you can opt this hosting because it has good limited plans like micro. You get $1 per month, so it takes you 12 to 13 bucks per month. And this is $2, $3. So you see, if you're getting started online or learning about how to design websites with WordPress, you can have this kind of hosting. They give you free domain, they give you 5 gigs of storage, you can host 10 domains, so it's a little bit effective. Okay, yeah, so after having everything here, what you're going to do now is you're going to check on packages. We can come here to packages and see our package. So our package is still running, but as long as it finishes, we are going to have downloads here. Okay, so let's give it some moment and see. We're going to have files to download. Okay, so after having the files to download, basically I just downloaded them from my previously okay, I have the backup already for this website. Okay, so we are going to proceed to another section. Okay, after having everything here, what you are going to do is to download the packages that you get here. And basically the packages are two, which are installer and the backup of your website. Okay, so now after downloading these packages you get from your hosting, from your backup, which has been generated by Duplicator, you're going to come here and sign in to our hosting. Any hosting you are using, no problem. Myself now I'm using Orange, but also it is using the cPanel, just the global cPanel. So I think you're going to experience the same thing I'm experiencing here. So I'm going to log into my cPanel, and okay, and this is the dashboard of my cPanel. Okay, and the thing that we're going to do after extracting and having files from our website, which has been generated, the backup has been generated by Duplicator, we are going to migrate to files, to our hosting, to files. Then we find the directory of our domain that we want to update our files. Remember, I told you that you're going to have the files launched on www.loadline.co.tz, and this was shop.loadline.co.tz, right? So at the end, it means when we refresh here, we should get the website. Okay, so back here, and the directory is loadline.co.tz. Here it is empty, so I'm going to upload these files that we extracted from our website here. Okay, so back here I'm going to upload this backup, and basically it is this one and this. So first of all, I will upload the installer. Yes, complete, and I will upload the backup. Sometimes uploading takes a moment, some few seconds, some few time based on your internet speed. But for now, it is 262 megabytes. It takes a little bit some time to finish up, but no problem. Okay, so this will upload. To simplify the video, we can migrate to another section which is very essential. While this is uploading, we can create databases. Okay, so we need to create a database that you're going to use for this website. Okay, and I'll come to my SQL database. Okay, basically I'm using MySQL, and WordPress supports MySQL database, and PHP my admin. So I'm coming to MySQL on databases, on cPanel database MySQL. Okay, select on MySQL and give some time to load while this file is uploading. Okay, yeah, this file is still uploading, and we are going to create a database. I have some few databases for my previous projects here, but no problem. So we are going to use to select the database, but you can get something here. This website is running within all these websites are within the same hosting. So we can trigger out and use the previous domain, the previous database, because it is this one. This is the database which powers this website. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm not going to do that, and what I'm going to do is let's create the new databases. Okay, so to create a database, it's very simple. You come here and name the database and name the database. So I will say load shop. Okay, I think this is called readme load shop. This is the name of my database, and I'll click on create database. Wow, load shop already exists. I have this. Oh, it seems we have this database name, but we're going to change now. If you have a database existing, okay, let me call it load line. Okay, load line tz. I think this is not existing, so also take some moment to load out. Yeah, database created. Okay, then we are going to create user for the database. We should have a database and we should have a user. So user, okay, user here. Okay, manage MySQL users. I will call it load line also. It's the same name like we used it for the database, but it's not necessary to use the same name. This is my choice. You can use another name of your choice also. So I'm going to add my password here. Okay, this password. Okay, let's write it correctly. Okay, yes, so repeat the password to confirm the password. Yeah, there we go. Then I will click on create user. So the user is loadline tz and the password is loadline tz. Oh, we have existing loadline tz. Why? We have the database loadline tz where it is. Yeah, here it is. We have the database and the user. Do we have the user for loadline tz? Let's check it out. So this is the database and this is a user. Oh, actually we have it. So let's change the name. Okay, let's call it loadway tz. Loadway tz. Okay, so this is not existing way. So password is again, because we have started again. Let me translate it correctly into. Okay, repeat the password to confirm. Yes, now create user. So this user is not existing. Let's check back our file. Still uploading. Oh, it takes some time. Our internet is not very stable. Yes, we're back here. Back here. Oh, still uploading. No problem. Back here. Where? Here. Yeah. So we should merge the database with the user. Okay. Here. Add user to database. So I'm going to select my database. It is Loadline TZ, and my user is. Where is my user? It's Roadway. Did we create user? Oh, yeah. Current user. This is Loadway TZ. Okay. So user is Loadway TZ, and the database is Loadline TZ. Okay. Hope you got me. The user is Loadway TZ, and the database is digital 12 Loadline TZ. I add user to the database. So you accept the privileges right here, and this is a credential that we are going to use. So you click on make changes to accept the privileges. Okay, and these privileges are very essential to help people to create, to delete things from your website, to update. So many of them. If you don't accept everything here, it means there are some functionalities won't be working within your website. Okay, so there are some moments I've left it finish up the uploading. So let's wait for this to upload. As long as we have the database here and user, no problem. We're going to finish up now, right now. Okay, again, remember, subscribe if it's your first time to watch out my videos. Okay, if there is any recommendations, areas for improvement, please just give me your concern in the comment section below. Right, just keep tracing. Let's keep tracing and see. Now at least so 30% left to finish up. Okay, so yeah, actually 200. Yes, yeah, left is 2. Okay. So as I said before, our website, we are selling let's say we call it tools for WordPress. Okay, so if you need anything, maybe you need a plugin like this one. Okay, you can download it and use it for your own website. Okay, so everything is classified here. We are using the normal way of yes, we're using the good checkout from PayPal, so no problem with that. Okay, let's check back here. Okay, wow, 25% left to finish up. Let's finish it up this and run it. Okay, let's finish up this and run out. Okay, it takes some moment, but don't worry about this. Yeah, about 8% finish. Okay, so I can give you the flashback of what we have done here. The first of all, you should extract your files from your website, as we did using Duplicator. And Duplicator will provide you with 2 files, which is installer and the backup of your website. Then you're going to have those backup and installer uploaded to a new domain or the directory domain you want to use. As you see here, you see now, okay, we have installer, we have the backup. Okay, yeah. So after finishing up here, what you're going to do is to run the installer. Okay, installer. So now let's rename this to installer. Let's remove this for 04 because I think I downloaded this 4 times. I don't need this for yeah, so let's remove it. Okay, yeah, install.php. Okay, so after having uploaded these files here and we have created the database, so we're coming back to our domain here and we are going to rate your domain. You add /installer. Okay, installer, you click it, run. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, if it doesn't work like this, don't worry, sometimes it is not working. Just click here, click this, it reveals the file we have uploaded. Yeah, do you see now? Yeah, so if you put a slash installer and doesn't work, you just load your domain, you will see the files, and click this. Click installer, it will initialize and give you duplicator. Okay, so duplicator will come back here and work for you. And there are some things to configure here. The first one is action, which is database connection, the things that we need to configure. Remember, we created the database, and here we created databases, and these are the username, user for database, and the password, user and database we created. So we should initiate them here. Okay, so empty, we're going to here empty, you're going to backup existing table. Okay, so here there is new or existing database. So the database you have created is what you're going to include here. So the database is this one. Remember, we created this database, so I'm going to add up here database. Okay, also we have user. Okay, user that we created from the database. This is a user. Copy this user and add it here. Okay, yes, so remember, while creating the database we had a password that I set a password, so I'm going to include this password here. So it was this. Yes. Okay, after having everything here, we can validate. Okay, so here what you configure mostly is database connection, so we can validate this. It takes some moment, it is loading. Okay, it gives okay, so you get some things like first system pass, everything pass, so everything is working and the database connection is working. So what you're going now to follow up is to extract all the files now. So do you see, it gives us some prompt like run installer, install website to this website, the directories, and it gives us some names here. Okay, so we click yes. So now it is extracting files. We have 44,034 files, so it takes some moment to finish up. So let's give it some time, it will finish up. So at the end we shall have the same website as we had here. Okay, so this website should be visible to this domain. Okay, so it is not taking too long here, because what it is doing here is to extract files direct from the menu, from the website we had, and the backup of files that we downloaded to this website. Okay, so let's check it, let's give it some time and finish up. Yes, it's running too fast because we don't have a large files for our website. Okay, so done installing databases. So the database, what is doing here, it is replacing the same databases that is from the previous website, which will help us to have the same website. So now migration is complete, you see now. So we can visit our admin. Okay, you see, let's visit admin. Wow, impressive, amazing. So now you see this website is running, and so okay, the thing to note here, do you see the credentials that you're going to use to log in within our WordPress dashboard here is the same credentials that we are using to log in within here. Okay, so if maybe we say let's log in, do not accept this because what we are using is from this website, and we have the same things, the same files, the same database from this website. So you should use the existing username and password from the previous website. So actually I think it's this one. Okay, yes, so now, wow, amazing, so now everything is done. Okay, you see this site has been successfully migrated. Okay, you see, so everything now is clear. Let's visit the front end and see what we see. Visit the website. Wow, amazing, we have the same website, you see. So this website is under loadline.co.tz, and this is shop.loadline.co.tz. we have exactly everything from our previous website. Okay, so this is a successful migration from one domain, or from one hosting, or from local hosting to another environment. Okay, so actually everything works fine now. Thank you very much for watching this video, but this video has a sponsor. It is sponsored by FeedTech. Okay, let me show you. This video is sponsored by FeedTech, which is a platform, online platforms offering freelancers and service providers to to come here and find good alternatives to get their job complete. Okay, so you can see now, you can come here, maybe you need, I guide you to register a markup trade in Tanzania. Maybe you need to register businesses, you don't know how to get started. You can come to this website and check professionals how they do it and hire them. Okay, hire them. Okay, you'll see now. So you can create an account or sign in within our dashboard and get started using FinTech. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for everyone. I think everything's cool. Let's meet into another video, unless otherwise life is good. Bye. Hope you saw everything. But remember to visit my lowline.co.tz to download these files and plug in WordPress plugins and files for affordable pricing. As you see, remember, you get free installation guide after purchasing anything from WordPress.